What's up, troop? In today's video, we're going to have a little look over the Lofi Space plugin, which is currently free from Waves. If you're watching the video today, there will be a link in the description below for you to go and pick that up for free. I recommend doing that before following along with the rest of the video.
No deal. I'm jaws on a beat, I got flow that kills. Do my ting with a few G's, Lauren Hill.
Okay, so Lofi Space is basically a blend between sort of an echo reverb plugin and a lo-fi plugin, and it's allowing us to do some pretty interesting effects as well. I'm having a fair bit of fun with it. What I've done here on just this, this is kind of a sketch track. It's by no means finished. What I'm doing, having a little bit of fun here. So I've got a staccato violin going on there, just building up as the track goes. However, you know, this is how it actually sounds. And then Lofi Space on it. Giving it almost that distant choir feel, which is really, really cool. And we've done that by using the spring setting. So let's just have a little breakdown of how it works. So first off, on the left-hand side here, we've got two units, echo and reverb, with nice little cool retro LEDs. I really like the actual look of this. It gives me the vibes of like the 90s Walkman, which was a real throwback, and half of you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. Just switch those on and off, so we can switch the modules themselves off. So we're now naked. Stick the reverb on, stick the echo on. And we've got time sync. Now, when we've got it switched onto host like this, the time sync gives us division. So it's 1/4 currently, but we can do a custom BPM or do it in milliseconds if you like. So you can get some polyrhythms going on and whatnot. Feedback, obviously feedback of how much this is being fed back into itself to create all those echoes, loops and a reverb. And then we've got a ping pong feature if we so desire, so we can have it ping pong. I've currently got that off for this, but sick ping pong effect, because we fed it back, it's going on forever. So it's super sensitive on the feedback as well. It can go way over 100. I think it stops at 200. Yeah. So we can actually increase that amplitude really, really quickly, massively oversaturate it. Something you might want to look at automating and having fun with. But for this preset, just sort of around here. Then we've got the output level for that particular part, which is great. So, you know, echo, this is all chained along together here, and that's the output level for our echo. Then reverb. We're really, really simple. We've got two types, plate and spring, and then we've got our length and our level out. The spring and the plate sound incredibly different, so let's take the echo off and just have a listen. So I'm using the spring to get that kind of vocally effect rising up out of the strings. To switch it over to the plate, very much sounds like a metallic plate, and we get that metallic-y plate kind of feel and room sound as well, with those vocals disappearing. Definitely have their own sort of quality and reverb crunchiness, which is kind of nice. Now, just on the way out, we've got a high pass and a low pass filter. Just rolled the high pass up just to make sure there's no nasty low end in there, just 133 Hertz. And the low pass just left all the way up at 21k, so we know it's not touching the sound at all. If we wanted to squeeze it into mono, we can. We've got a nice little mono control here, and then a mix amount, so how much we want to put it in. I've put this directly on the cellos, but say we want to put it on aux, we can put the mix right up to 100, and we've got and we can blend it with our auxiliaries that way. Now, when you adjust a preset, the mix amount will keep changing, but if you want to flip through presets and have your mix amount stay the same, we just use this little guy here. That's going to lock that in for us. And that, guys, is it. That breaks down the GUI for Lofi Space. Like I said at the start of the video, if you're watching today that this video has dropped, this is still going to be free as part of the Black Friday deal, so you might as well grab that. If not, the link down below shall definitely take you to a discounted version where you can pick it up as well. Guys, I hope that's been helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you for watching.